How to leave a club in Carrom Pool. Hello everyone. Are you on Carrom Pool and thinking about leaving a club? Whether you have found a new club to join or just need a break, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Carrom Pool game on your device. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on the club icon on the right corner, this one. Tap on it. Once you're inside your club, click on Members from the top and you'll see the moderators added on the page. If you want to leave a club, simply tap on this exit icon in red right next to your name and click on Leave. Soon after you do that, you will be able to leave the club. Leaving a club does not delete your profile or coins, it just frees you from that club. You can join another club anytime. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.